If you're trying to watch 10 Play outside of Australia, you'll quickly find out you cannot create an account if you're not in the country. Fortunately, there's a very easy way to get around this. I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. First, I'll show you the error that you'll probably come across when trying to create a 10 Play account. If I click sign up here, see how I run into an error that says 10 Play is available for Australian residents only. Now, the reason this is happening is because 10 Play is scanning my IP address to figure out where I'm located. I'm located in New Zealand, I'm not in Australia, so I cannot access 10 Play. To get around this, you need to change your IP address to an Australian IP address, and the best way to do that is with a VPN. Now, there's many VPNs available out there. However, I believe that the very best ones, especially for streaming, are ExpressVPN or NordVPN. These are paid VPNs, but they are also premium VPNs. There are free VPNs if you want a free option. However, I do find they're a little bit unreliable. So if you're interested in watching 10 Play outside Australia, I do recommend these. Down in the description below, we have links that will give you 3 months of your subscription for free. I'll show you how it works. So for this example, I'll use NordVPN and I'll connect to an Australian server. Now once that's gone green, I'm now connected, and basically what's happened is my IP address has been changed to an Australian IP address, which basically means it looks like I'm connecting to the internet from within Australia. Now if I go back to the 10 Play page and I click refresh, sign up, you'll see that I can input my details. So I'm going to quickly go through this, put my email in, make sure it's an active email because you will get sent a confirmation email, and I'll show you what it looks like once I've done that. Okay, so when you put your email address in and create a password, it's going to bring you to this page. Take note of postcode. Now this needs to be an Australian postcode. So to get one of those, it's very easy. All you have to do is literally search Australian postcodes, something like that. I like a tool called a website called Random Address. Oh, there, what was it? There it is. There, bestrandoms.com. And what you can do is you can select a country, Australia, generate, and there we go. I've got 6 different Australian addresses to choose from, and here you can see the zip code. So all you need to do is copy that and paste that in there. So once again, I'm going to fill out all these details and we'll move on from there. So all those details are entered, and I now have a 10 Play account outside of Australia. I've just received a confirmation email. As you can see up here, I'm now logged in and I can watch any content on 10 Play anywhere in the world. Now all you need to do is make sure that you're always connected to an Australian server whenever you try and access 10 Play, otherwise you'll run into issues. If you are interested, do click the links in the description below. That will get you 3 months of your subscription for free, and other than that, that's how easy it is.